it's the last part here. Array. So let's create a package, ArrayDeque tasks, and let's create a class ArrayDeque and I am adding tasks here. Okay, let's rename. So the first I need to create a ArrayDeque and add 5 elements and print them out. Okay, let's create private static ArrayDeque integer AD ArrayDeque, and also let's initialize it as a new ArrayDeque. Okay. And I need to add 5 elements here, so add let's add them in in kind of last in first out, kind of LIFO order. So add last 1, 2, 3. Do we really need 5 here? But okay. And okay, and I need to print them, right? Let's make it another way. Add AD for each them out print. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And what I need to do next is to use ArrayDeque as stack. So to add elements and return them in reverse order. Okay, so I already added, and let me try to return them here. Let's see. For each element Sort. No, I think I'll create a method here. Private static void the queue return stack like stack like so while AD is not empty, of course, so I am going to actually I only can return and remove elements because all other ways it looks like I will only return last element until I remove it, because in ArrayDeque we only have an access to the first and the last elements, so this is specific. And so AD pull last. Where is pull last? Actually, I think I need to add it in other argument in system out print. So return static. Like so. Let's run it. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Then I need to use ArrayDeque as a queue, and so I need to add elements. Return elements from both ends, from the head and from the tail. Actually, let's create methods for. Actually, I can use built-in methods here, but maybe. Actually, what I'm going to do here, I am going just to copy paste. So I already have return. Let's make return last. So no while here. So return last, poll last. No, I can even use pick last here, pick last, and create also add last, and be offer. last, offer last, and I need some arguments. It's integer num, and also return first, pick first here, first, and the last one is to add first, void add first, and I also need an argument here, num, first, and num. No, it will be offer first, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, right? And so let's first let's add last. 6, and there add first 0, and let's print it out. And so it was a return first, and wait. Actually, yes, I wrong. So if I use a ArrayDeque here, I actually call built-in methods, but I don't know why. I'll also create custom method. Actually, it wasn't necessary, so it was add last, integer num, add last. Okay, and add first, and let's print it, and return last and return first, and let's print it. Actually, I can also delete using built-in methods. So ed poll last, and d poll first, and let's print it out again. Actually, I'd like to add an empty string after each printing. So I'm going to here I am going to see ArrayDeque contain including 7 numbers from 0 to 6, and here actually it looks like I don't need it here. So here return last, I'm expecting 6, and here 0, and here I'm again expecting from q from 1 to 5 as it was initially. So yes, it's initial. Actually, yes, I forgot that the Java returns the method. Why? Add last and then first return true. Yes. Okay, it's interesting. And then I return last. Did I return? Yes, return last and return first, pick first. And get it should actually return element. So return first, pick first element, right? Pick first. Return last and return first. Okay, let's comment part of this. So add last 6 and first. Yeah, offer last. At the end. But it returns true. Offer last and let's make d get last. What's wrong here? So yes, it returns boolean. If I use not offer here, but maybe add last. Actually, and add last here, and let's check it out again. Up. Add first. What's wrong here? last, add first. Oh, it was so simple actually. I already solved this problem. Okay, let's just let's try it without printing. Add last. None. Okay, and sort. Okay. Get last. It's okay, it's okay. At first, none, and get last. Let's try it out again. So I add last. Oh shit. Ah. So so let's try one more time. So add last 6. So add last 6. Okay, I added. And add first. Yes, it's correct. So first is, and then I'm printing it. Okay, that's right. So 0 in the first and 6 in the last. Yes. And return last, it's 6, and return first is 0. Yes. And actually, poll last for poll first, we don't have, we have, yes, we still have here because I used pick for return. Okay, let's go to extra tasks. So let's create a separate class for this, and let's call it repetitive actions. Right. And so I'm going to create ArrayDeque, static one, deque, and let's use string as actions. Let's initialize our ArrayDeque in a static block. And so what I'm going to do, first add action, second remove last action, right? And actually, if we speak about repeat of last action, I think I need a remove last action, and if I want to repeat action, last action, I think I need to store this the one I removed before. So let's create private static last.
Че?
Я немножко removed action. Private static string, of course. And let's initialize it here. Last removed action will be null initially. Мэша, тихо, тихо. And repeat last action.
Ты что, дурной, что ли?
Тихо, тихо, успокойся. Мишуля. Мэша, тихо. Скоро пойдем гулять. Сейчас мы вот две задачки дорешим и пойдем. Хороший мальчик. And so remove, repeat, and that's all. So here we go. First, let's start from add action, private static void add action. Use string action as an argument here. And because I am going to use it as a stake, so actions. What's wrong here? Actions, yes, string. Sorry, it should be action here. Actions. So I can use stack methods here. Action. And next one is remove last action. Private static remove static void remove last action. I don't need any arguments here. So first let's assign this value to our temporary variable. Last removed actions. Actions pick first. And actions remove first. Or actually, I think I also can use a pick. and I can use pop here. Hope it will work as expected. And repeat last action. No arguments here, static void of course. And actions. Add first, last removed action. Okay, let's test it. Actions. Oh no, just add. It's static, so 1 action, 2, and action 3, and let's remove last action and repeat last action, and let's print here actions for each and print. Out, print the one. So it looks like 1, 2, 3. Action, and let's so and empty line. So 2, 1, yes, and 3, 2, 1. And repeat last action and sort, and let's print it one more time. 3, 3, 2, 1. Great. And I have only one task left. Actually, it's my favorite one, about palindrome. So what I'm going to do here? Let's create a string variable, static string, and also let's create an ArrayDeque, private static ArrayDeque, and it will be ArrayDeque of chars. And as usual, to initialize it. And chars as a new ArrayDeque. And how I'm going to solve it? First, I'm going to create array of chars of the string. Let's let's create our object for testing to 1. And I'm going to take the length of the string or the size of this deque and to divide it by 2 and take modulo, because actually it doesn't matter if the size of our queue even or odd, because I'm going to work from both sides and compare edge elements. So it doesn't matter if one element would left in the end or it wouldn't. So let's start. Private static. I think it will be boolean. Palindrome. And let's take our string here. So also for character C string array chars offer C. So I just filled our ArrayDeque with chars of the strings, and I'm going to use for loop here. Chars size divided by 2, and also let's introduce boolean variable here. Palindrome, and it's initially false. So what I was going to do here, I am going to compare char from the beginning. If chars pull first equals to chars pull last, so So first I change the value of this palindrome to true, and let's continue. And in else, let's change palindrome is false, and also break, and let's return this palindrome here. Let's check this palindrome. Solved palindrome. Let's make it this way. True, okay, it's definitely a palindrome, and let's add 1. And it's false. I'm a freaking genius.